In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix tears and holes in your Solitex Extasana membrane. Even with careful handling, small tears, rips or punctures can happen during installation, but repairing them is simple. For small holes, cut a patch of TESCON EXTORA that extends at least 50 mm beyond the damaged area on all sides. Apply the patch over the hole, then activate the adhesive by pressing it down firmly using the press fix tool. For larger rips or damage, you can use a piece of Solitex Extasana membrane as a patch. Cut a rectangular or square patch that extends a minimum of 100 mm beyond the tear in all directions. Position the patch over the damage and fix it to the studs using staples. Then seal all 4 edges using TESCON EXTORA, applied in the correct shingle sequence. Apply firm pressure to all taped edges to ensure a durable continuous seal. If some damage is discovered from the exterior or fleece side of the membrane, you can still carry out a reliable patch. Start by applying TESCON PRIMER RP around the damaged area to stabilize the fleece and improve tape adhesion. For small penetrations, seal directly over the hole with TESCON EXTORA. For larger tears, you can use a patch of Extasana with the fleece side facing the same way. The Solitex Extasana system is designed to form a complete seal. That's why it is critically important that you seal all holes or tears as soon as they happen.